What's up, people? So like I mentioned, today's tutorial is very easy. So what we're doing today is body measurements for females alone. So we'll be bringing up the male measurement shortly, but for the meantime we've been able to create the female measurement. So let's begin. Easy. Before you start measuring, you're supposed to have a measuring tape, one that runs end to end, doesn't have a chipped edge at any point, so you're able to get your measurements right. The next thing you want to do is make sure you're in a comfortable area where you're able to have adequate space to just start off the measurement. So let's run into the basic. So to measure off the shoulders, you start by keeping the tape so you keep the tape straight and you go from end to end. So for the sleeves, from where you stopped over one shoulder, tape down, going slowly over to the wrist if it's a long sleeve. If it's a short sleeve, you just stop where you'd like it to stop. So now we'll be measuring the round sleeve. So take the tape, move it around the arm to the fullest part of the bicep. Make sure it's not too tight and it's not too loose either. So next we'll be measuring her cuffs. So to measure the cuffs, you take the tape around her wrist, making sure it's not too tight and at the same time not too loose. Next we'll be measuring her bust. So when measuring the bust, the measurement has to be intact. So you have to have your tape relaxing on the fullest part of the boobs or the bust. Make sure the tape is not too low at the back, so you can lift it up and adjust it to make sure you're getting the fullest part of the bust. Next we'll be measuring the waist. Wrap the tape around your waist so it's parallel to the floor. Your waist is in between the bottom of your ribs and your hip bone. So measure firm but not too tight to pinch into the skin. Next we'll be measuring the bust length. To measure your bust length, keep your tape at the top of the shoulder and measure to under the bust. And to also get the half length, you just measure a few inches below the bust length. It's also just an inch above the navel. Okay, so to get a skirt length, measure right where your waist is and measure down to where you want. So to measure your gown length, repeat the same thing, but this time around keeping the tape from the shoulder, moving down to where you want it. Okay, so what I'm doing next is measuring her hip. So this is an important measurement also. So measuring the hip, wrap the tape around the fullest part of the bottom. This means your tape shouldn't be too tight and at the same time your tape should not be loose that it's falling off or coming down. So wrap neatly and make sure it's firm to how you want it. Next I'm measuring her round tie. So I do this measurement when it's a gown, not a trouser. So for a round tie, both legs are put together and you just measure neatly around the fullest part of the thighs. You do the same for the knee to get the round knee. The next measurement I'll be showing you is around the neck. So tape neatly around the base of the neck where the neck is most thick or bigger, so you can get the appropriate measurement. So we've come to the end of this section. Just to give a few pointers: do not measure too tight, do not measure too loose, and also remember to have a book around you with a pen and always record your measurements instead of just memorizing it. Lastly, make sure your tape is neat and isn't chipped so your measurement is perfect. Thank you all so much for watching and I really appreciate it. Kindly subscribe and like this if you find it educative